Hey guys, Menchi here. Today I'm going to show you a track in a future house style. It sounds really commercial, something like a New Year or Christmas mood. By the way, this project I'll upload to my Patreon page and to my Boosty for free, absolutely for free. It's something like a Christmas and New Year gift. You can download it and see how I made this track. Let me show let me show the track. We will listen to it, and then I'll explain what I used in this track. Let me play MP3 file because the track has a lot of serum and it sounds like a bit distorted, a bit lax or something. So let me play this file and then I'll show in the project.
I found out how it feels, yeah. Now I can never be alone. No, I can never be alone. You know just what to do. When I'm looking at you, you make me question what I know. Now I can't ever be alone. Now I can't ever be alone. Now I can't ever be alone.
Yes, something like that, because it sounds in the project like that. You can hear some distortions, that's why I decided to play it like MP3. So let's start with the drums. I used the kick. I used 2 layers for that. It's a more clean kick, and I decided to use another kick. Sounds like that. Then we have clap. Another layer of clap. So we have this one. We have also something like a tom. And we have a head and the loop. You can hear something like a ride, head and clap in this loop. Also we have snaps in the breakdown and this breakbeat. Okay, something like that. Also we have something like a string step and this voice. It sounds typical for this style, for this genre. And let's see what we have in the bass section. We have sub bass. Also we have a soul bass. I made something like a filter between the parts of the drops to make something like a smooth fade out, something like that. Then let me show you chords, something the main one of the main parts of this track. By the way, this preset gives a lot of flags right now, because we have a lot of notes in this chord. We have 6 notes in every note of the chord, and that's why it sounds a bit laggy. Also, we have piano. By the way, I can use just one layer of the chord. But this chord gives to the track more power, and I decided to leave it as it is. Okay, so we have a lead that consists 4 layers. And I used automation for the reverb. It's something like this lead has a small reverb, but I decided to make a lot of reverb in some parts. It's something like place in just in this part. Yeah, something like that. Also, we have 4 layers, as I said. Yeah, the lead sounds really massive. So I used already wet vocals, and I decided to move some parts of these vocals because it sounds like that, as you see, something like out of the grid, and I decided to slice it and move to the left a bit. So let me show you what we have in the breakdown. We have here wrist bass, we have pad, the same chords as on the drop, but it sounds like a pad, not these different notes. Yeah, also we have a piano. And by the way, piano sounds like it has something like a string. Yes, it's a complex preset in the Nexus, and I decided to use it because it sounds really fat. Also, we have these piano chords in the build-up section. Something like that. And I decided to use texture. It sounds really cool with the texture, and one of the main thing in the breakdown is arpeggio. It sounds awesome. Something like that, and gives to this break the vibe. Yes, it's really cool commercial vibe. So we have FX section. Let me show you what we have here. So like downlifter, it's something like that. So as I said, this track I'll upload for free for everyone who will subscribe to my Patreon page. You don't need paid subscription. You can just subscribe to my Patreon page, by the way. Sometimes I'm uploading there some projects, some presets for free, so follow the news, and not so often maybe, but sometimes I made something like that. So this project you can download for free, as I said. It's something like a Christmas gift to you guys. So let me know in the comments what do you think about this track. Do you like Future House maybe, or something, I don't know. And Merry Christmas guys, and Happy New Year. See you in the next year. Bye bye guys.